Hello, how you doing? Look, gonna make this salad today, sweet potato with green peas. It's really easy. So, gonna cook our sweet potatoes. I've peeled them, cut them into that sort of shape as you can see. Salt water, cook them till they're nice and soft like so, and then let them cool down and we're ready to make our salad. In a mixing bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of green peas, garden peas, cooked and cold. Some walnuts, 1/4 cup of walnuts in there. Some green onions, scallions, or whatever you call them. I've got about 1/2 cup there. Salt. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. Now I've got some paprika here. This paprika is quite spicy and hot. You could use a sweet one if you want. I just like the kick. Handful of chopped parsley. A little bit of lemon juice, like a tablespoon, maybe less. And about 3 tablespoons of oil. You could use olive oil, that's the oil that I'm using. Give that a mix, serve that away. It is absolutely scrumptious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe now, you keep well now. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.